Say goodbye to traditional nightclubs. Inflate the Night brings the ultimate party experience straight to your backyard in Charlotte and surrounding areas. Our inflatable nightclubs accommodate up to 40 guests and are complete with a high-powered sound system, laser lights, and a fog machine for a truly immersive atmosphere. Perfect for outdoor parties, weddings, birthdays, and corporate events. Unlike traditional nightclubs, there are zero restrictions, meaning no lines, no age limits, and no dress code. Just unadulterated fun right in the comfort of your own backyard. Renting our inflatable nightclubs is easy. Just choose your desired booking date and time online. We'll deliver and set up your nightclub and add-ons before your party starts, then leave you to party the night away. Once you're done partying, we'll pick up the inflatable nightclub the same day or the next morning. Each inflatable is thoroughly cleaned and disinfected before every delivery. If you want to elevate your Inflate the Night experience, check out our exciting range of add-ons, which include red carpets, glow-in-the-dark party favors, 360 cameras, silent disco parties, movie night packages, and more. Our add-ons add a touch of magic to your inflatable nightclub rental. Customize your package for an extraordinary celebration. Our inflatable nightclubs are fun for kids and adults. Wow your guests with a one-of-a-kind party experience. Book us for your next event at inflatethenight.com.